Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to whiten the earphone which is turned into yellow. The model is JBL T110. Before going into video, please subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit the notification bell icon. Now let's start the video. First step is to clean the earphone using isopropyl alcohol. Now I am going to clean it with Zoric 88. That is coming out. Now you can see there are yellow spots in the earphone. It is bit dirty. I will clean it further. See, this is yellow spot. Here you can see the yellow spot. Now I have cleaned it thoroughly. You can see there is no dirt in the headphone. It is yellow. See, you can see here this is yellow spot, and here you can see the yellow spot, and this part is also complete yellow, and this cable is yellow. Alright, now I am going to apply this hydrogen peroxide to this earphone and put it in the self-lock cover, and I will keep this packet in the sun. Be careful while using this may harm your skin. I am putting little bit of hydrogen peroxide in the cloth, and just I will apply like this. Just follow the same step. Then I have applied. Now I will open this. Now I am going to wrap this headphone like this, and I will put this in this bag, and also I will put little bit of hydrogen peroxide H2O2 in this bag. Before locking this, just make sure least air should be inside. I'm just pressing and removing all the air and pressing this self lock. Now that's it. Now I have to keep this in the sun for 3 to 4 hours. Then it will turn like brand new white color. Now you can see in the close up the yellowishness of this earphone. Here it is, everything is yellow. Here it is yellow. This will turn completely white like brand new. Alright, time to keep this in the sun. Now I have kept it in the sun. Let it be there for at least 3 to 4 hours. Let's come back after 4 hours and see what happens to this. Alright, I have taken it back from sunlight. Let's see what happened. It was there for 2 to 3 hours. I think 4 hours. It should be there for at least 6 hours max. It looks good. First of all, let me clean. There is a hydrogen peroxide in this. Now you can see it's very white. Even the socket, even the jack is very white. Now cables are white. Fine then. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and write comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.